Hi, I'm Mrs. Organise and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you ideas on how to maximize storage space in your closet. This video is for you if you have a small closet and you struggle to fit everything in, or if you have a large closet but you want some space-saving ideas. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description box below. If you like videos about home organisation, home hacks and life hacks, please subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, turn up the music and let's get into it. you enjoyed this video as much as I had fun making it, please show it by clicking on the like button below. I think you'll also find these videos useful, and if you want to support my channel and because you want more tips and ideas about home organisation, home hacks and life hacks, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on this button or the red subscribe button below. My question of the day is down here, so please comment right away. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!